Okay, we have a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPM SX3. It has a SMX control. It has a programmable spindle. This is a 40 taper power drawbar machine, torque right power drawbar. The whole thing is made by Southwest Industries. We're going to run her for you. That's your x-axis. Machine has a 10x50 table, 31 inches of X travel. You have 17 inches of Y saddle and 23.5 of Z. This machine is a boxway machine. Again, it's the 40 taper. All the axes are quiet. You also have a accurate scale on the quill, and if you move the quill, it does the math for you on the screen, which we'll show you there too. Yep, you can see that. All right, we're gonna run the spindle. Right now we're running the spindle. Again, it's an inverter drive through the control. 1,000 RPM. 2,000. It's original paint. 3,000. Okay. Machine goes up to 5,000 RPM, but this is great. Spindle brake turned off. All right. Oh, serial number of this machine, 072CF15544. Machine is new in 2007. Hey, thanks for watching our video.